Hi, Mark Reedy here. In this video I'm going to show you real quickly spreadsheet number 94, and that is TATEMS equipment list with customer, equipment type, odometer and hours meter, and out of service column, yes or no, as well as a bunch of other columns, and I'll show you that in just a second. Now, to find these spreadsheets that we have available that you can link to your live TATEMS data, you're just going to open up a browser, go to tatems.com/spreadsheets, and then I'm just going to scroll down to number 94. Now this video at the top here will go over how to link these spreadsheets to your live TATEMS data with different versions of Excel. What I'm going to show you is going to be Excel 365, so I think it's maybe 2016 or 2019, but this will show you, if you have a different version of Excel, how to link it using a different version. So we'll scroll down here to number 94, and we're just going to download this. I'm just going to right click on it and choose Save Link As. This is a Chrome browser. I'm going to put it on the desktop. So save that, and now I'm going to go ahead and just click on it to open it. Okay, and then we're going to click Enable Editing, and we're going to click Enable Content. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to TATEMS, and I'm going to click on Tools and Networking, and I'm going to grab the path to the current data file that we're linked to. Now, if you're on a network, this path may be different, but I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I'm going to highlight that and then choose right-click to copy. Then I'll just close that, and then we're going to minimize TATEMS, come back over to the spreadsheet here. And then we're going to click on Queries and Connections in this version of Excel. This opens up a little box over on the right. And then I'm going to right click on that and choose Properties. And then I'm going to go to this tab that says Definition. And right here where it says Source equals C Program Files, TATEMS 2005, TATEMS 2005 be.mdb. I'm going to highlight everything after the equal sign up to but before the semicolon, and I'm going to right click, I'm going to choose Paste. So now we have the path, the current path to the data file that we're linked to in there, and now I got to do is click OK, and that's brought everything in from that database. So we can see here now we can use any of these columns for sorting or filtering. So if we want to just see a specific equipment type, for example, I can choose the select all and unselect everything, and say we just want to look at excavator, for example. Click choose that one, and now we see the excavators. Alright, and then we can come back over here and select any of these things, multiple selections, or one at a time, or select all like that. Okay, and you can do that with any of these columns. I'm going to go ahead and close the connections out of here, and so we can see some of the other columns that we have. So we have a customer, equipment type, and customer could be in-house if it's not an outside customer that you're working with, or it could be one of your. Sometimes some of our customers use different companies within their organization that the equipment is assigned to. So customer, and then you can have the equipment type, you have equipment number, the description, year, make, model, VIN number, license plate number, current odometer reading, hours meter reading, and if it's out of service, yes or no. And then we have the sort order number. If you've assigned a numeric value to a piece of equipment, you can use that sort order number to sort it by those numeric values in TATEMS and here as well. And so sorting, over here you can do sort by smallest to largest, largest to smallest, and so forth. Okay, and then that'll put it in the order that it is inside of TATEMS using that sort order numeric value. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Take care.